Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of our series on Greek numbers. Today, we'll journey from 20 all the way up to 99. Let's take a closer look at how Greek numbers are put together and what patterns we should look out for. Ready? Every number greater than 20 has two separate words. The first word represents the group of 10, like 20s, 30s, 40s, and so on. And the second word represents the individual units from 1 to 9. For instance, the number 21 in Greek is 21, 24 is 24, 26 is 26. Can you identify the pattern? For larger numbers, the principle remains consistent. Instead of using the term 20, you'll employ the corresponding Greek word for that particular group of 10. Let's listen to these words in Greek starting from 20 and going up to 90.
20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90.
All right, we've just gone through the Greek terms for numbers from 20 to 90. How did that feel? If you listen closely, you might have noticed that when constructing numbers in Greek, the first word always represents the tens place, and it evolves as we progress, while the second word gives us the single-digit number. This structure makes it easier to remember and identify patterns. Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you guess how the number 20 combined with the number 4 would sound in Greek? Think about it. Don't worry if you're still finding it a bit tricky. With practice, these numbers will roll off your tongue in no time. Let's keep moving forward and see how we can form bigger numbers with what we've learned so far.
25 33 47 54 66 75 87 92 59 68.
Now, let's look at a previous example, but now we will see larger numbers in action. As in the first part of this lesson on Greek numbers, we will ask in Greek how much something costs.
Πόσο κάνει?
37,90.
That wraps up our lesson today on the second part on Greek numbers. If you found value in this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.